Tick, tack, tick, tack, tick, tack. From the first day, and now we are at the 7th week. All I can say is we've done a very good job. We've done an excellent job, and we can confidently say that we've won. 7 weeks of hard work, 7 weeks of success, 7 weeks of making things happen, 7 things of possibilities. You've all followed the journey. You've seen from the land preparation, making the sunken bed. This was the purely sunken bed. Leave other nurseries that will brace the beds. The sunken bed, breaking the seed dormancy, sowing the seeds, 100% seed germination. That was, you can see it on when we are uncovering the seeds, protecting the seeds, the seedlings, fertilizer application, good irrigation, and the managerial practices. You may think there is something that you've missed from germination to this point, but I've shared everything that you needed to know. The fertilizer that is needed, the sprays or the drenching that was needed, and the irrigation. Only that I saw you may be bored. You'll be bored if I share the same class continuously. But here comes a moment. Here comes a time. Here comes, I don't know, an opportunity now to share the possibilities of what you can do as a farmer, what you can do when it comes to cutting the cost of your farm. Like I told you, if you go to the seed raiser, every seedling here goes for 5 shillings. And my cost of producing these seeds, you'll be surprised to know that it has not even exceeded 2 shillings per seedling at this moment. It has not exceeded there. But if you're in a position to buy seedlings, you can go buy seedlings by yourself and grow if you cannot be able to manage. But this is for those who can manage their nurseries. This is for those who can be able to take care of the nurseries. Go sow your seeds. I've shared everything that you need to know, and I'll continue sharing each and every day. So we are here, and like the songwriter says, count your blessings, name them one by one. I'm not a very good singer, but at least that one song I know. So we've counted the days, we've counted the blessings, and here we are. It's through hard work, it's through skills, it's through smart working, and I've shared everything with you. You are now a better farmer. I'm expecting you produce better seedlings that I've produced. Like it has been my slogan, I want you to be better than me. Yes, I know I'm your teacher, but I want you to be better than me. I want to see a better germination than the one I've done, because in my journey, the teacher is making a few mistakes. The teacher is missing few things that you need to observe as a student, that you need to observe as a learner. So, this is the review of our seedlings, and I can confidently tell you that this seedling is ready for transplanting. Look at the roots. Look at the roots. I just plucked one. Look at these roots. Look at how vigorous the seedling is. And this has been achieved because of several things that I've shared in this lesson. I've shared in this playlist. The good thing is I've already formed a playlist for this. So please check the playlist and know what I've done from the beginning up to this moment. There is seed protection against dumping off, against fungal disease dumping off, seed protection against cutting insect, nutrition, application of fertilizers, and it's all here. And finally, I've achieved healthy and one of the best seedling any farmer would wish for. You go to buy this to the seed lasers, you get it at a good cost. You are going to increase your cost of production, yet you would have done this. But if you don't have time, you can go do that. If you have time, this is the class, this is the school that you need to learn and better your skills step by step until we win. We must all win. If you have a question about anything that you would like to know about nursery preparation, about seedlings, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach out to me via this WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to me. You can write to me via this email address. You can also leave a comment on the comment section, because like I've always been telling you, we have to learn together. We have to be better farmers. We have to grow together, and we are not going to settle for anything less if it's not profits in our farm. If it is your first time that you're watching me, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we've started and we've started strong. That marks the head of our nursery. That marks the head of this nursery.